That's really the banana zone. The banana zone is here and now. The other thing I put out on X was about Sui. Sui is a crypto token that I'm on the foundation board of. So yes, I'm shilling it, but I'm actually not. I don't talk about stuff that I don't think is going to go up. I've been talking about this for a while. I've been warning people that I think Sui is going to be one of the chosen ones of the cycle.
Bitcoinzilla stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoinzilla today and enjoy the new edge. Raoul Pal on the most chaotic show in macro and crypto. It's time for Raoul to follow the Jade Powell rates announcement. Raoul discusses crypto, the banana zone, the everything code, lifestyle chips, and where we are today in the big picture outlook.
Sui, it's outperforming pretty much everything now. And most importantly, it's outperforming Solana, which is my big bet. And Solana is, my chosen one. I have 90% of my net worth in Solana. But Sui, I've obviously been granted some tokens as being part of the foundation, then locked up, etc. But I'm not going to sell. In fact, no, some of them are unlocked. I'm not going to sell. In fact, I've been buying personally because I think it's a chosen one. I think it's going to do really fucking well. Yes, there's a low free float, which everyone goes, oh my God, they're going to be dumping on you. But a lot of the unlock happened a few months ago. Really, it's now pretty phased and pretty low key. But in a bull market, in a really, really interesting protocol that has attention, a low free float means a smaller amount of money drives a larger price rise. The reverse can happen in the bear market too. So just beware, but we're in the bull market time. It's just a bloody interesting project. You may hate it. You may have something else you prefer. All I ask you to do is show to yourself, not to me, that your chart is going to outperform Solana. And then is it going to outperform Sui? Is it going to outperform? That's the way to do things. And that's what got me into the Bitcoin ETH cross. That's what got me into the Solana ETH Solana trade. And Sui, I've been flagging this for a while. I thought it was looking like the chart was going to do this. So it feels like it's one of the big ones. There'll be other stuff that will outperform Sui without question. Maybe it's your token. Maybe it's your, and I'm not going to mention, every time I mention a bunch of tokens, I get shouted at, so I just can't be bothered with you guys. But listen, I believe in abundance, and I wish you, in whatever your choices are, the best. It is not player versus player. I'm just trying to make as much money for myself and for my subscribers of Pro Macro and Global Macro Investor and the Macro Investing Tool, all the things that I do to try and help people and publicly. I share a lot of my information for free. Pisses off some of the people who are paying tens of thousands of dollars for my research, but it's really important for me to help as many people in this journey as possible. If we're going through the largest opportunity in all macro history in the shortest period of time, I've got to take as many people as possible with me. If not, I'm fucking selfish. That's not why I started Real Vision. It's not why I've been doing this. It's really important to me that you guys do the best. Now, I am not fallible. I'm not a guru. I will not get everything right. And you will probably hate me at some point and love me at other times. Just, like I mention this a lot, just realize I'm just trying to do the best I can to help. I'm not trying to diss your coin. I'm not trying to do anything against you. I'm not trying to scam you, shill you, do anything. I am just doing what I'm doing myself, and I'm telling you what I'm doing. And if you don't want to do that, that's good too. If you want to come along with me for the ride, that's fine too. I don't have all the answers. I will not be the best in the world. Anyway, just wanted to tell you that because, I actually worry, and you guys know something. Nala is barking again. I don't know why. She's deaf. She can't hear anything. So she can't hear that she's barking. But yes, I mentioned this a lot. is this space is some of the most delightful, wonderful people. We're all in this together. We're all trying our best. And it's also just some awful, awful people who just want to just be spiteful about everything. And it's really tiresome when I work 14-hour days. I can do other stuff, but I don't. So anyway.
Wallets belonging to early Bitcoin miners who received coins as rewards shortly after the blockchain's launch by its pseudonymous creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, have recently been observed moving their BTC. On September 25, miner wallets that received 50 Bitcoin, each as block rewards in 2009, started to move their funds. Blockchain data shows that one wallet received the mining reward on January 29, 2009, while 3 received block rewards on January 31, 2009. The last wallet received a block reward on February 2, 2009. The Bitcoin blockchain went live on January 3, 2009, when Nakamoto mined the Genesis block and embedded a message referencing a headline published by the Times newspaper in the United Kingdom. On January 9, 2009, the Bitcoin creator explained the protocol's basics, including how to mine and send coins. Given the BTC was mined only weeks after the launch of the Bitcoin blockchain, the wallets likely belonged to people present at its inception. When the 250 BTC in the wallets was first mined, it wasn't worth much, if anything. However, Bitcoin reached $1 in 2011 on the now-defunct crypto exchange MtGox, and months later, Nakamoto bid farewell to the crypto space and expressed a desire to move on to other projects. Fast forward to 2024, the tokens are now worth about $15.9 million, with BTC trading at roughly $63,000 per token, according to CoinGecko. As the BTC movements were flagged, community members speculated who was moving the tokens. One ex-user said that someone could have found their old hard drive and hit the lottery after seeing the Bitcoin, while another user suggested that it could be someone who was in a coma and woke up as a millionaire. Meanwhile, some users think the wallets may belong to Nakamoto or the American software developer Hal Finney. The world's first Bitcoin transaction took place on January 12, 2009, when the creator of Bitcoin sent 10 BTC to Finney, one of the earliest adopters of Bitcoin.
September 18, 2004, 50 basis point rate cut. September 18, 2007, 50 basis point rate cut. When the market's going to collapse. At that point, the business cycle was at the peak and falling. Inflation was at the peak. This inflation has been falling, and the business cycle is at the bottom. It's just like, this is banana stuff. Please don't fall for this overly dramatic, the world is going to fall. You will only go to the poorhouse if you listen to doomsters. You listen to doomsters at the peak of the business cycle when it's starting to lower. Then you dial up that dial. If not, tune the fuckers out. They will lose you more money than anybody. It's so damn alluring. Here's inflation. The moment they cut, the 70s is coming back again. Tell them to fuck off. Every time they show, here's Cisco versus Nvidia, it's all about tell them to fuck off. They don't know what they're talking about. Cisco, earnings versus price. Nvidia, price earnings on a forward basis is cheaper than bloody Costco. It's like these people are there to sell stuff based on fear. And they make it sound smart. Please don't do that. I've been part of that. I didn't do it to sell stuff, but I had that lens. I've learned a secular trend, crypto, macro, crypto tech. It's so easy. Follow that trend. Tomorrow's going to be more digital than today.
The Bitcoin price is trading near its highest levels in a month following back-to-back dovish updates from central banks in the United States and Japan. On September 20, the Bitcoin price rose by circa 2.5% to over $64,120, coinciding with the Bank of Japan's decision to keep its interest rates steady after August's hike. The judgment contrasts with the U.S. Federal Reserve's 50 basis points (APS) rate cut on Wednesday, September 18, thus reducing the risks associated with the unwinding of yen carry trades that crashed the Bitcoin price by almost 25% in August. In other words, investors see no immediate risk of rising borrowing costs in Japan, meaning they can borrow the Japanese yen cheaply and hold their positions in higher-yielding assets like Bitcoin. Moreover, the Federal Reserve's 50 bips rate cut encourages the continuation of speculative investments as interest rates on safer assets remain unattractive. Overall, this helps the Bitcoin price as investors feel more confident in maintaining or increasing their exposure to high-yield assets. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Seller. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.